For what values of A and B, the field vector this is a conservative field. A is equal to B is equal to हो गया. जैसे f x दिया हो गया, कर्ल उसका निकाल लो और कर्ल को आप जीरो के बराबर कर देंगे तो वहाँ से A और B का वैल्यू जीरो आ जाएगा. ठीक है. अब बारिश का टाइम ऐसे ही होगा. Let S be the surface of the paraboloid of revolution this with the domain of represent this, and let sigma be the boundary of the paraboloid given f(x) equal to x cube I plus x plus y plus z j plus y j के कर्ल एफ एस क्या होगा. अब देखो ये फार्मूला का बाउंड्री कंडीशन में लगा दी. आर टी हो गया, एफ हो गया. कर्ल एफ एस इक्वल टू दिस टू जीरो पाई हो गया. ठीक है. फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इटरेटिव स्कीम फॉर डिटरमिनेटिव रूट टू इज एक्स एन प्लस वन हाफ एक्स एन प्लस टू एक्स एन हो गया. ठीक है. अब देखो फाइंडिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ टू ये हो गया. डैम्पिंग ट्रिक की मदद से ये आ गया. ठीक है. तो गसल सेट इटरेटिव मेथड ऑफ सिस्टम ये रहा. तो बी इक्वल टू एक्स वन यहाँ से ये आ गया, एक्स टू ये हो गया, ये टू हो गया, थ्री हो गया. उन्होंने हमसे डायगोनली कमेंट में यहाँ निकाल दो. ये हो गया, ये हो गया. व्हाट इज द मिसिंग फिगर इन द फॉलोइंग रिलेशन एक्स सी मतलब ये 14. अब देखो 4 वैल्यू वाई हो गया, पोलिनोमियल डिग्री 3 हो गया और फोर्थ इक्वेशन में हो गया 0 हो गया. फंक्शन ये हो गया. ठीक है. अब एफ डैश इक्वल टू एफ टू में ये हो गया तो डी इक्वल टू हो गया. अब देखो पुट करो तो एफ इक्वल टू ये हो गया, एज यू एक्स माइनस से फॉरवर्ड फॉर्मूला यहाँ डाल के या आंसर आ गया. ठीक. अब अगला देखिए. अगला क्या है तुमको, आउट ऑफ द 5 boys A B C D I were good, 1 is poor toward average, 2 of them study in postgraduate classes and 3 in undergraduate classes. 1 comes from a rich family, 2 from middle class family, 2 from poor family. 1 of them is interested in music, 2 in acting and 1 in sport. Out of these studying in undergraduate, 2 are average and 1 is poor in studies. Of the 2 boys interested in acting, 1 is postgraduate student. The one who is interested in music comes from a middle class family. Both of the boys interested in acting are not interested here. Good in studies come from middle class family and are average in studies, and one of them is interested in acting. The boy interested in sports come from a poor family, while the one interested in music in justice is justice good in studies come from ये हो गया, come from poor family and is not in acting, music, sports. C is poor in studies in spite of being rich. A comes from a rich family and is not but good in studies. B is interested and comes from a middle family. Name the boy who is not interested in good. ये हो गया. D is not good. In an electrical data processing unit, 5 out of 8 companies PQ, RS, TU, V, W to be operated in one set except for the first day of the monthly. Only 3 of the program set must be operated. Program operating must also satisfy D. If program P is to operate, V cannot be operated daily. If Q is operated, T must be on the one who operated to operate Q. R is operated, V must be on one of the program to be operated. The last program to be operated on any day must be either S or U. If the program sets R and W to be operated on the first of which one of the following should be other program. P V not known. 8 doctors PQ, RS, TU, V, W visit charitable dispensary every day except on a holiday. Each doctor visit for 1 hour from Tuesday to Sunday. The timing are 9 a.m. to 11 lunch break. On Saturday it is open in morning 9 a.m. to a.m. Each doctor visit from 1 hour. No other doctor visits the dispensary before Dr. Q and Dr. U. Dr. W comes up and it lunch when the subsequent visiting hours are within 50 meters at this time. During you is expected to attend the dispensary before p.m. The study following from the curriculum. PQ, RS, TU, V are which are medical. T is a teacher, medical doctor. Q is the lawyer, medical P. P has one son and one grandson. One of the 2 married, one is housewife. There is one student and one male engineer in the family. Okay, read the following. How is R you see brother system? Read the following information carefully or answer the following that from you. Okay, ये हो गया तुमको. Madhu और India are good dramatics and computer science. Early Madhu are good in computer science and physics. Ascending Poonam Nisa are good in physics and history. Nisa and Anjali are good in physics and mathematics. Poonam Shobha are good in history and mathematics. What is good in history, physics, computer science and mathematics? D. Anjali. And the question given below the 3 conclusion 1 to 3 do you have to read all the conclusion. All lions are tiger, all tigers are leopard, or some leopards are wolves. Conclusion that no elephant is lion, some wolves are lions, some leopards are lions. Rohit went 50 kilometers to the west and he turned left and walked 20 meters. He then turned east and walked 25 meters. Finally turned left to uncover 20 meters. How far is he from his house? Cryptic language is popular essence is the most in the I live follow 7. How to go to hell in same language. What language should replace the question mark? C. Z. In the first 2 circle, the number inside the circle recurring to partial lesson. Part of the number inside the circle is follow the same lesson as they have to the first 2 circles. 13. Aditya playing a treasure hunter at the first stage. Aditya needs to choose a 5-digit code to unlock the vault which contains the treasure. He gets the following code to choose them. The R. As the code number is not an independent product of the first two digits, the odd, the sum of the first 4 digits will, and the code number is not only the same. So suppose you enter an elevator with a certain code, then the elevator moves up 5 floors and down 3 floors and up 2 floors. If you are 8 floors, and what could be the first enter of the X4. A number is in given with one term missing. Correct? Change the correct alternative option. D 1 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. The soccer club is putting together a mural using lightly colored transparent paper. This paper is then cut into a square of different size and that are placed next to each other to make the design. Of course, the club wants to save money, so its member are trying to buy the minimum number of sheets of color paper. Below is one of the design. What is the minimum number of square they need to make this design? D 5. What is the correct alternative for the question? 2, 3, 8, 73, square 2, 9, 63. Which one of the following is not an objective of the Mahila Kisan Sahan Shakti Pariyojana (MKP) to help women educate the rural for improve the living condition? Study the following regarding the aim of Jal Jeevan Mission to provide every rural household of the condition of the country with adequate tap water of prescribed water on a regular basis. It serves as ease of living which leads to healthier as well as hygienic living conditions in rural area. It aims to stabilize water tank in good number with the slogan Har Ghar Jal. It ensures community participation at village level. It helps in developing local leadership based on no Gandhi plus of Gram Swaraj. Mission helps to achieve goal by 2024. Which one is for not get limited? C. Great Circle, Roman Aluminum. Last को इनका चित्र बना दिया दखवदी इंसेपरेबल सिमोन कोड ग्रेट सर्किल मैगी सुपॉल और जंगल नामा अमृताभ घोष. Pandora paper क्या हो? It is a project of released about 12 meter documents that revealed hidden with money laundering by some of the world's rich and powerful. अब देखो वी संता ए है. वी संता मतलब क्या हो? देखो वी संता हो गया रिनॉल्ड इंडियन आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट अख्तर अली, फॉर्मर डेविस कॉप्टेज अनिल धारकर, जर्नलिस्ट एंड राइटर सुमित्रा भावतुन डायरेक्टर. Select the state and UT of which have been ranked as first as zero hunger pass हो गया. ये का बी केरला एंड चंडीगढ़ हो गया. Which one of the following is not correct under women achiever? C. Woman Megha Rajgopan, American journalist for Indian Nation who worked at the New York Times. Avani Bhutani, president of the Export University Student Union. Delisa Davis, first Indian woman to drive a fuel tanker. Bella M. Trivedi, to quote as the judge of the Supreme Court. Which of the following is India's first space tourist? क्या को? संतोष जॉर्ज खुलंगरे. ये हो गया. The Wassenaar Arrangement, ये क्या एलाइड क्लब ऑफ कंट्री who subscribe to आर्म एक्सपोर्ट कंट्रोल के लिए है. ठीक है. Which one of the following is not included in the 12 areas of doing business? ये हो गया. देखो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ बिजनेस सी, प्रमोटिंग स्मॉल स्केल, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो बड़े बड़े चीज़ों को लेगा तो वही है. दूसरी फॉर इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी डी 1 पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फाइनेंशियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. ये हो गया. IMF रिलीज प्रोटेक्शन फॉर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ कितना हो जाएगा? डी मतलब 8.4. अब देखो फोर्ड विल स्टॉप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग व्हीकल्स इन इंडिया बट विल रिटेन द इंजन मेकिंग टेक्नोलॉजी सर्विस. जी इंडियन लिमिटेड ना से मर्जर विद जो ये तो सही है. ये सोदा हेगड़े द न्यूज टी ऑफ द कॉफी कंपनी. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज मूव्ड द रेजोल्यूशन इन यूएन जनरल डिक्लेयर इन द इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ मिलेट. ये गड़बड़ है. 2022 था ना. तो सपोर्ट विल प्रोवाइड नहीं सही बात है. सपोर्ट विल प्रोवाइड फॉर पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट वैल्यू नहीं है सिर्फ खाने के लिए. फॉर ब्रांडिंग मैनेजमेंट नेशनल इंटरनेशनल भी गड़बड़ है. ये सिर्फ खाने के लिए पीरियड्स में है. बहुजन हिताय बहुजन सुखाय किसका है? ऑल इंडिया रेडियो का. ठीक है. अब अगला देखो द मशीन शॉप रेड्यूस पार्ट मशीन फ्रॉम स्टॉक मटेरियल एंड फिनिशर इंडस्ट्री रिक्वायर. सही बात. इन मशीनरी ग्रुप रिमूवल मेटल आइदर टू मेक ए स्मूथर मगर बाई प्लानिंग फेसिंग मिलिंग और टू बाई प्रोड्यूसिंग सरफेस इंडस्ट्री. एक घर पर है. ओजोन डिप्रेशन आर मोस्टली हार्मफुल टू बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम इन डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ वेज. सही बात है. ओजोन डिप्रेशन इज रिलेटेड टू लॉस ऑफ फर्टिलिटी हो गया. ठीक है. अल्ट्रेशन इन वॉट फिजिको केमिकल एंड बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द बायोस्फीयर मैन कैन रिजल्ट इन एनवायरमेंट डिग्रेडेशन वर्ल्ड ओवर. सही बात है. मेजर एनवायरमेंट प्रॉब्लम्स एंड इफेक्ट ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ द डिग्रेडेड एनवायरमेंट एट ग्लोबल. सही बात है. Ethics involve the discipline of the system inquiry into moral norms of standard behavior and in their underlying values and justification. Applied ethics looks into the ways in which moral values can be applied to particular case of concern or behavior. सही बात है.